We have connected Rovo in Slack, and we have observed that if part of the Slack channel, it gives, we have observed that if it is a part of a Slack channel, it gives a different reply, especially when looking at Google Files as compared to messaging it directly. Ooh, that's an interesting one. Yeah, that might be the case because Rovo has a lot more tool access than just the native Jira integration. So when it's pulling in, trying to answer a question, it's probably looking at more context than just what you've given it. It's probably trying to collect everything it possibly can that is connected to your teamwork graph. My solution for you here would actually be to use an agent. If you want consistency between the Rovo chats, you can actually use a specific agent. So what I would do is go to the Rovo connector, and in here there should be a way to search agents, and then you can, for example, I think we have like an SOW writer just as an example. SOW drafting assistant, and I could chat with that agent, and you could add this agent to specific channels. So if you wanted consistency with responses, if you wanted I didn't share my screen. Dang it! Hold on. There we go. um, Yeah, in here, just go to your Rovo connector, and then you can search your agents, search whatever the name of the agent is, and then that will pull it up, and you could chat with this agent. And then what you could do with this agent is add it directly to channels as well, and then that will actually allow you to um, get consistent responses because you could tell the agent how you want it to respond specifically to you, specifically to channels, and create that consistency with an agent rather than with just Rovo. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.